burn your sensor. Let's go! Learn, repair, succeed. ACT Trading, let's ride today. Learn the skills the proper way. Fix it right, build your dream. ACT is the winning team. ACT Trading, come and see. Mechanic training for you and me. Knowledge, skills, and opportunity. Building your future successfully. Want to learn how engines run? Troubleshooting can be fun. From basic checks to full repair, ACT experts will take you there. Tools in hand, let's get started. Every lesson keeps you motivated. Step by step, you'll understand how motorcycles work firsthand. Learn the process, learn the skill. Practice hard and build your will. Every challenge makes you stronger. Every lesson sets the right. ACT Trading, let's ride today. Learn the skills the proper way. Fix it right, build your dream. ACT is the winning team. ACT Trading, come and see. Mechanic training for you and me. Knowledge, skills, and opportunity. Building your future successfully. Motorcycle service done right. Professional work every time. Tune up, maintenance, repair. ACT Trading